Hi guys, so I'm going to try and do a talk to video. So I'm going to talk to you while I do my makeup. We'll try to. Um, yeah. So if you hear noise, not tell you already. I don't have a studio, so you're bound for hear some sort of noise. So let's go into the video. Let's get into the video, okay? So I'm going to take a fluffy brush and I'm going to dip it into an orange and a brown because I don't have a orangey brown color that I want, which I need to get. It's in the Morphe palette, the Jacqueline Hill favorite Morphe palette. That palette I need to get it because it has all those warm browns that I want, but yeah, until I get that, that's what I have to do. So I'm using my 120 palette and I'm dipping it into this orange and this brown. I don't think you guys can see that well. Okay, and I'm going to apply that to the crease. It's just warming up the crease, so when I apply the other shadows, it has some contrast. I'm going to try and do a autumn emerald green look. I don't know, yeah, I'm thinking of doing that. So I'm warming up the crease in this orangey brown color. For some strange reason my cat is at my foot, my male cat. He's normally not a fan of me at this time of the day, but he's I don't know. I don't know if the lighting is too bright, if it's washing out the look. I'm trying to get this lighting situation together, but it doesn't seem to be working out too well for me. So yeah, let me try that. Or is it just that I look oily? I don't know. Anyways, so I applied that. Now I'm going to take a C-shaped eyeshadow brush and I'm going to apply this green to my lids. And by the way, I'm sure you guys I did my brows before I did this look. My brows are a little bit atrocious. I kinda shaved off a little bit of it, but I'm trying to grow it out so I can re-wax it a different way because I have a natural arch. I'm going to try and get a C-shaped brows, like get them curved when I wax them again. Okay, so now I'm going to take that same fluffy brush and just blend my crease. I'm kind of winging this look, guys, so y'all are on the journey with me. I'm going to take a black and I'm going to kind of smoke out the V section. I'm not going to take it too much in the crease, like to the inner portion of the eye. I'm just going to smoke out the outer V area. Just typically my kind of look, a different color, but I like smoking out the corner of my eyes. Kind of like swooping it in at the bottom of that green. little down into lash line. That's all we're doing. This is going to be a simple makeup because I'm just bored and putting on makeup really. Not going anywhere. It's probably like, what is it? It's 1:21 in the morning. So I'm really not going anywhere. Just have a little bit of time and do a little tapping on my hand. But you know what I mean. I'm going to take that same fluffy brush that we use in our crease and blend that color a bit. It's like the key to makeup is to go over and over. If you don't feel pleased with it, you go over it and make sure you clean it up, like, you know. So I'm going to apply a little bit more black shadow just to brighten it. Make sure you don't blend out too much of it. So use a back and forth movement with the colors and stuff like that. Okay, so I'm going to apply my face, as in my concealer, my foundation, and come back and finish the eyes. So okay guys, so I applied my highlight, my foundation, and I kind of set it, and I did a little bit of contouring. So I'm going to continue. I'm looking at my cat, he's behaving all kind of crazy. I'm going to now set my brow bone, and I'm going to use a matte kind of beige color. It's a bit lighter than my skin tone. It's about the same color as my highlight, and I'm going to set my brow bone. And you're going to blend it down into that crease color that you had applied first, so it meshes together, it blends together with It's a quite simple and clean look. It's not a lot of intricate. This is what you call a beginner friendly look. So yeah. So that's that for that. And if you feel like you blended it down too much, you can just apply or use that same brush that you used to blend in your crease and kind of blend it back in, blend it back together. Alright, so now we're going to apply what do you call that? Eyeliner pencil to the lower line. I'm going to apply a black pencil to the outer portion, and then I'm going to apply a green because, you know, just keep it with the theme in the inner section. So I'm going to do that now. I'm going to take another pencil and apply a pencil. I'm going to use a brush and apply the same green that's on the top to smoke out the bottom of that lash line. Okay guys, so I applied my liner. I go apply my mascara now. I know I could have done that off camera, but I just wanted to talk to you guys while I do that. I know you guys realize that I've just been doing get ready with me, but school has had me busy. Like, final year is no joke, and trying to get my business started like makes it even worse. I've been having some great opportunities, like meeting persons in the industry that have their name already out there, and on top of that they're like certified, and so that's where I'm aiming, because I don't want to just be doing YouTube. I want to be able to be working with companies like film companies and all of that. And I've been hearing stories that persons are getting or what am I saying? I've been hearing stories that like some regulatory persons like KCC or something like that are starting to like clamp down on persons that don't have their license. So yeah, I'm trying to get all that sorted out and stuff, so I won't get my ass in jail or some stuff like that. Anyways, yeah. Well, I'm using what is the name again? Hard Candy Lash Call. It's a lengthening mascara. I like it, but I don't love it like how I love my Maybelline. Yeah, my Great Lash by Maybelline. The one that I have finished now, that's why I do it. I just have the bottle to remind me to go and get one. Or the tube. The bottle is not a bottle. Out here in the cars and all that, right? Not cool. So yeah, that's that. I'm going to spray my face and then apply my lips. So I'll just spray my face because I want to do yes, I don't know, I should have squinted my eyes. I should know better so my clients not to squint. I want to apply my blush and my highlight. I like to do this on myself. I don't necessarily do it on clients. This is just setting spray. I set my powders so they're not too much powder when I put my highlight on and my blush. No, because it can be a bit too much sometimes. All those powders. So yeah. Should I put on my lip balm before I what do you call it? Put on my lips. I'm going to use my e.l.f. thingy, my bob. What is this? Blush, contouring blush and bronzer. I'm going to use the bronzer side and just add a little glow. This doesn't really bronze for me. This is a glow, like a glow like no other. I love using it. Like, I know fall is like cold and you won't be shivering, but we can add a little bit of sun with a little bit of glow all year round, right? Even though I'm in Jamaica, I'm talking about my overseas dolls, you know? Add a little bronzer, add a little highlight to feel like it's still warm out if you're in a cold climate. It has been a little bit nice here in Jamaica because we have been having rain, so Portmore has not been as hot as it usually is. So I am totally happy for that, because y'all do hear the fan. I don't need a fan. Well, I'm going to sleep with a fan because I have to sleep with the fan. I don't know why. It's like the sun puts me to sleep or something. I don't know. Probably because I'm just used to it. So my glow. Can you guys see my glow? I don't know if y'all seen the glow, but my glow is on there. So should I add blush? I think I just might add a little blush. It's kind of a red tone blush. I love using this blush because I don't really like blush. So this is a natural blush for my dark skin. It's like an orangey brown, a burnt brown, burnt orange, not burnt brown. Like, you need to go sleep. So, yes. This blush and this bronzer always looks the bomb to me. I just love the combination of this bronzer with this blush. Tell me, isn't that life? Now I'm going to apply my lip. I'm not going to wipe this off because I'm applying this LA Girl liquid lipstick, and y'all know these things are drying. So I like to have a lot of lip balm on my lip when I'm applying these. This is such a fall color, and yes, I couldn't talk about applying my lips. And this is in Rebel. I didn't get to tell you that, or I forgot to tell you that. It's in Rebel. And yeah, I really love this lip color. Whew. Can you believe I got this in a kind of beauty supply store? Because it sells hair, makeup, lashes. It has a lashes galore, and those press-on nails, enough. So when I go into that store, I say, oh god, well, I've never had money. I just buy one bag of press-on nail, put on, because right now my nails ratchet. School is having me away anyways. So I got this for $350 in that store. $350. The cheapest me see this anywhere else is $500. So this $350, I was like, hell yeah, let me take 3. So yeah, the normal price for this, by the way, is $700. So yeah, I got a steal and I took it. Anyway, so this is the look. I really like the lip combo. This is like such a fall look. It might be bold for some, but this is just Moya. As in the color combination is bold, because the eyes aren't bold at all. This is a simple eye look. This is such a simple and beautiful look for fall. Yeah, a little bit of highlight, a little bit of blush, lips. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video, me talking, if you hear anything at all, because I know I talk under my breath sometimes. Like, I can't help it. I can't help it. Like, I'm not one to be talking a lot, so I have to get used to talking. And somebody say, as you see, I use my hands a lot. I don't know why. Probably that's why I like sign language, I swear. Yes, I know a little bit of sign language. Something y'all don't know about me. I learned something today. Anyway, so yeah guys, this is the look. My talk through video, my first actual talk through video, live talk through video. So yeah, I'm loving that highlight. Y'all seen that highlight? Like, hey. Anyways, bye guys. I hope you guys love the look.